Hello, this is a video tutorial for the Orange County Council Boy Scouts of America to help the members of our units and districts understand their training status. Now the video is going to be broken up into three parts. The first part is intended to help you have an easy way to know the status of people within your units or districts. The second parts will cover how you will go into other tools like My Scouting to get to training, as well as to see what is required for each position. The first thing you'll notice here, I am on a website called OCBSA.info. I'm going to log in as a guest user here. If you have your own login, you can use it, but for most of us, the guest login will be more than enough. I'll come under Login ID, type guest, and choose Submit. First thing I'm going to be asked is what district I want to view. Now, be aware, when you go in here, you are going to see all members of the district itself. So please use the information for the right purposes here. I'm going to go down in my list here, and for sake of review, I'm going to choose the Pacifica district and choose Continue. The web page will then refresh and take me into the information wizard. To get to the training information, I'm going to choose Program or hover over it, and then choose Training Report. Now this is going to go ahead and pull up a list of people. It's going to show you the last date this information was updated. And the first thing it's going to show you is people that are considered to be not trained for a position that they are registered in. Some people may be registered in multiple positions and will show in here for some positions as trained and for some not trained. Now the default list here shows everybody in the Pacifica district in this example. I can use the filters up top here to try to look more specifically at a unit. You'll notice here there's a box to type in a unit number and an example. So this example here shows P0002. So for that example, that is showing PAC 2. If I want to type in another unit name and number, I can. So for example, for a troop, I would type in T. And for my example, I'm going to use Troop 1, so T0001, and hit refresh. The list is then refreshed to show just members of Troop 1. In the data that's been displayed, besides the fact that it's showing the unit number, you're going to see name, position, and email address. I've blocked out here the name and the email for confidentiality purposes, but the important part here is that you're going to see position. So in this list here, we see there are a bunch of people with the position committee member. Now they're showing in this filter because it does not appear that they have completed the training required for the position of committee member. In a later video, like I said, I'll show you how to find the right course and take it. If you're interested in seeing everybody in your unit here from this screen or in your district that are also that you believe are trained, you can come up here again to this filters and click on the Include Trained box, hit refresh, and you'll notice my list has been refreshed and added a trained column here with a yes or a no. This is a great way then to look to see if somebody may have multiple positions, which ones they are not also trained for, and which ones they need to invest some time and effort into.